Okay, yeah, sure.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. No, you didn't have it, dude. I hate how this thing doesn't autofocus.
No, just be a fucking English teacher online and shit. For Chinese kids.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another channel. Welcome back to another channel. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna put in the FC calipers. Put in some work.
What's up, guys?
That's all in there. That's going on. All right, so got the FC calipers here. They're pretty much dry. Still look kind of crappy, but we're gonna just slap them on. And here we have all the components that we need to put the brake pads on. So we'll go ahead and do that right now.
Yeah. He don't know what he's doing. Where'd you get this from?
From Rx7 at the junk.
All this junk right here?
All this?
Yeah. What the fuck? See, I have to just wrap it for you and shit.
Well, I thought you were gonna do Dad's car, no?
Put this on first.
Okay, no?
Is it gonna be long, Dad's car, no?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing to it?
What?
Dad's car.
Everything.
I'm recording.
I need to put some gloves on. So look legit, you know? Are you recording?
Yes.
I'm talking to you. Like, come over here.
Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install the brake pads. So what you do is you just stick one in first. Get your brake pad. Alright, so you stick it in. Stick in the clip. Oh, make sure it's facing up. And once you feed it through, get your other brake pad. And it simply goes through. This goes into the holes right here. And like that. And then you simply just do it to the other side as well. Grab your clip. Make sure it's facing up. Don't forget that. And we're going to stick it through. And then these go into this hole, same hole as the other one. Then you just grab this clip, stick it here, and there will be holes for the pin as well, and you just feed it through. And that's it. That's how you install the brake pads on the FC calipers. So we'll go ahead and get these ready for the Corolla install, and next we'll be showing you how to put these adapter plates on to the AE86. Damn, so it's finally a nice day out here, guys. Go ahead and check it out. No more rain. We can finally get some stuff done. And let's go ahead and get the Corolla on the jack, and then we're gonna remove the wheels, and then let's do the FC caliper install. Alright, so the car is safely put on jacks. Now we're gonna take out the wheel.
That's not the right size.
Fucking idiot.
What size are you using?
18. 19.
13?
19.
21?
21. What's 9 plus 10? 21. Dude, that was my hand. Oops. Okay, now we just gotta take out the old brake pads. Hopefully this line will work, and then we're gonna take out the road. What is this? Wheel hub as well, and see if it works. Just gonna take out this cap, just like that. Take out these cotter pins. Remove this nut. Oh, bitch, knuckle buster, bruh. Were you recording for that?
Yeah. Knuckle buster. That's funny.
Alright guys, took out these bolts. Time to take off the caliper. But before we do that, let's go ahead and remove this line right here. And if you ever need to remove brake lines, you should get the flared nut, whatever, the line wrenches, because they help a lot. We'll see what's up. That way you're not stripping anything and it comes off perfect. Just like that. Let's remove this. Right. Now that we got the caliper off, we're gonna let the brake oil, brake fuel, brake oil, gonna let that drain out. Now that we removed that bolt, remove the bearings, put them in a clean spot, and that's it. Okay, now that we have the rotors removed, we're going to remove it from the wheel hub. Now we're going to go ahead and use a rubber mallet and just simply tap it out. And there we go. Remove the rotor, set that aside, and then we'll go ahead and press in the new ones, which are the Mini Cooper ones. And here are our new Mini Cooper ones. Just go ahead and align it, just like that. And then we're going to just bolt them back up. And there you have it. Got the 86 rotor on, the 86 wheel hub onto the new rotors. Alright, so we actually don't need this backing plate because I think it's too small, so we're going to remove that. And it's just the same thing. It's a 14. Oh shit, don't tighten it. This should come back off with ease. Oh, easy. But we actually need, wait, does it come off?
No, you don't need that at all.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the whole thing in place.
Where does the other part? Oh, because that just goes on. Okay, I'm stupid. Almost broke this, guys. Wow. When you're not a real 86 guy.
Man, this thing is so badass.
Yeah, so freaking bad.
Does it not matter which one is maybe right?
I don't know. It doesn't say left or right.
It does, though.
You sure? Yeah, it does. Oh, yeah. Right here. You'll know with the lines. Yeah, so I need that one. Oh, wait.
No, actually, that might be it. Oh, wait.
No.
You're right.
Yeah. Alright. Yep, so here's the T3 once again. You guys check it out before final install. T3. Don't be scared to sponsor.
You gotta do badass build.
I gotta do a badass build for them to even care. They're really cool guys though.
Better than other companies.
A lot of other companies.
Yeah. Who blame their shit on you.
Say that is your fault.
Yeah. User error, my ass. Damn, that's so badass.
Oh man, it looks so freaking good, guys. Let's go ahead and put these on.
Scrape?
Yep. Yeah, I think it's wrong because so it's actually that one. Wrong way, guys. Let's reverse it. Unless it's like that.
Yeah, what the fuck? Is that right?
Yeah, I think it's like this. That's the only thing I was like, damn, I wish they had the T3 logo on this side.
Oh, that's so weird, huh?
Yeah.
Or is it doesn't come from the back?
No, because when I did do it, like off the cart, this looks more right too. Yeah.
Try it on first. Try it on with that thing before you tighten it.
Yeah. Damn, it looks good.
Don't the brakes just slide in? Oh, you're missing one nut.
Look.
You see.
And you just, there we go.
Is it scraping?
Because it only scrapes at certain point, see?
Is it push? Is it?
Should we not do that? See, it only scrapes like there.
Did you need that backing plate? Maybe you did need this backing plate.
Let me see.
Maybe you need this plate. No. Maybe you just need a spacer. Oh, here.
You sure it's scraping on that?
Yeah, it's stripping on the lower.
Down. So we got a problem, guys. It's scraping the ball joint or lower control arm. Yeah, so we're just gonna install it just to see how it looks like, and then we're gonna address the issues later. I'm only gonna do one side, so just check it out.
Look at him, greasy legs. Your brake pad will fuck up.
Yeah, grease will burn off, right?
Yeah.
Just kidding. All right, let me switch gloves. My hands are greasy. So here's the calipers. Man, they look really good though. But we have two issues. One, the rotor is slapping the lower control arm in certain spots. And two, the bolt is too short. So we're gonna have to figure those out. But just want to put on so you guys can see the install process and the issues that we're facing with it. So we're going to try to figure those out in the next video where we address some more issues with this Corolla. We do need to replace this line back here, so we'll probably do that once we get everything situated and figure it out. But here it is from afar, and man, it looks good. Can't wait to have these running. We are gonna have to change the brake master cylinder, which we're gonna change to a S13 one. And so I do have an extra one. Hopefully it's still in good condition. If not, we could just go ahead and buy a new one. And so there you guys have it, guys. Just a quick installation video for today, and hope you guys like it. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.